The Spectrum modem battery light blinking red can be a frustrating issue. But understanding the causes is the first step to resolving it. Common causes of this problem include a low battery, a power supply issue, or a faulty battery. To fix the issue, start by power cycling the modem. Unplug it, remove all cables, wait 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. Monitor the modem until it is back online and the power light turns blue, at which point you can reconnect it to the router. If this doesn't work, check the power supply to ensure the power cord is undamaged and securely plugged in. Observe the battery light to see if the blinking has stopped. If the problem persists, try changing the power outlet to see if the battery light goes off. As a last resort, replacing the battery may be necessary to resolve the issue.